What was the experience in terms of just how easy it was to get up and running with the unit, get it installed, and start utilizing the platform?
KETOS provided a technician who stayed there, who came out in advance, spent some time learning our application, learning the particular site conditions, and adapted like kind of on the fly in order to get it installed. We got it running on time on the first project, and we're getting data back at project start. Their technicians are smart and capable and adaptive and solution oriented. So we've been able to adapt and overcome to a variety of different challenges and situations, to the point where it just happens now and I'm not even aware of it. Like I know that like the data is there, but I'm not even involved in the movement of the system. I'm not even aware of it happening sometimes because it's flowing so smoothly at this point.